Well, look at this. A crypto whale has purchased about $8 million of Chainlink. What does it mean? Well, if they bought $8 million worth, apparently they must be highly convicted that Chainlink's price is going to go up. Let's take a look at this article. It was posted a couple of days ago, January the 19th, 2024. A crypto whale has invested $8.2 million in Chainlink, signaling confidence in the cryptocurrency's future. Is that what that means? Take a look. Blockchain analytics firm Spot On Chain reported this significant transaction, spotlighting the crypto whale's timing and choice of investment. The purchase of 601,949 Link at an average price of $14.81 was valued at $8.2 million. Since it occurred on Link's value dipped. Since it occurred, I guess the purchase of Link, the value has dipped. It reflects a keen market insight and robust confidence in Chainlink's potential. Really? Just because someone places $8.2 million bet on the ground, you think that is confidence? It shows Chainlink's potential to continue to go higher? Is that all it takes? Let's go ahead and break this down on the charts then. Here's our particular prediction. We have been predicting that the market in Chainlink was due to go lower. We did an update video on the 18th of January looking for Chainlink to continue to go lower. We didn't change our price prediction. And this is where the price was at that time in Chainlink. So 3 days ago, market still reflects weakness. Now that particular whale bought Chainlink at $14. What was the average price? $14.81, which is right around here. Okay, so he's up. He or she's up right now in Chainlink. Will it continue? Will this particular cryptocurrency continue its move higher? I'm kind of torn. I can kind of see it happening though. I can definitely see the market in Chainlink trying to continue its movement higher. Why? Because look at how prices just merely consolidated. Okay, that gives me pause. That makes me say, well, the buyers definitely aren't really leaving the market right now. Why would they want to continue to keep this market up and trade above $13 and slightly below 17 on all of these trading days if they didn't believe that Chainlink was going to continue to go higher? Why would that be the case? Okay, so let me go ahead and actually see this on a different time frame because I might have to get rid of this price prediction here. We did see our first target in Chainlink already hit on the 3rd, and then again on the 6th, 7th, and on the 8th of January. So we did get that first target hit. We may not see the market in Chainlink come back down to this first buy zone or even the second one. Let's look at this on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. What do you think? Because even though that whale bought $8.2 million worth of Chainlink, is not enough to actually push this cryptocurrency above this resistance area of $17. At least not yet. And the key word is not yet. Okay. So let's go ahead and see this on a 3-day time frame. I give the market credit. I definitely give the buyers who are in Chainlink, that particular crypto whale, credit because they have been supporting this cryptocurrency's price. They have been very reluctant into letting this market fall. Even in all of this weakness that I'm seeing on this 3-day time frame price chart. There's a lot of weakness here, but the price is still slightly trending up. Look at that. So they've done a great job, no doubt about it. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Chainlink on the weekly. 2 weeks. 3. Look at that. This confirms that those buyers are still in the market in Chainlink. Price came all the way down to our first buy zone, even slightly traded below it. And then we saw the market close up there towards mid bar. The only thing that the market is weighted on is to get all of these sellers who are sitting around $17 out the way before the price really breaks out. That's what these buyers are trying to do. They're trying to buy out these sellers in this particular range. Okay. So let me look at this on 330-minute chart. Yeah, there's still a lot of weakness in selling up here in the market in Chainlink. There's one right there. Here's another one here. So the best thing we can do is trying to see if Chainlink can keep in line with this trend, because there is a trend in the market for Chainlink right now. There's definitely here. Okay, there's a definite trend in this market in Chainlink. I really need to see this market bounce off this trend line to give me more confirmation that those buyers are still there buying out the sellers. Okay. So let me go ahead. I might have to just hold this out again. I'm not too convinced that that one whale that purchased Chainlink a couple of days ago has actually done something to substantiate that this market is about to break out to the upside. Not yet, even though I'm slightly inclined to actually follow with the market in Chainlink going higher, but maybe just to see it come down to this buy zone one more time. So let me bring this up a little bit. And we're going to do that. Okay, so we're just going to hold it there. But I'm torn. Like I had to admit, I'm torn to see how strong the market in Chainlink really is. If we cannot see price, for one thing, if we can't see price break above that resistance area $17, I know that price is generally still weak. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm waiting for before I actually become a little bit bullish into the market in Chainlink. I need to see these buyers break to the upside $17. All right, so until then, expect the market for me. I'm expecting the market in Chainlink to continue to consolidate, literally continue to trade within this range, or at least try to, until it's ready to either break out or break down. Okay. So I may have to come back next 2 days or so to see how the market has fared in this movement to the downside right now. And then we can actually update you all as to what we think is going to happen in the future. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.